Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Baslan, February 14, 2024. 3 star Sudoku. Column E, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 9, 6. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come, this line is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. 8th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row and first row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D and 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column A, column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th row, column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column A, column C, second row, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 3 and 4. 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 1. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row and second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 7. Column A, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A, 6 and 7, it will come in one of these cells. Then column A, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining 167. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, second grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Second row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column A, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. First row, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth grade, 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, column H, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 8th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade, column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 9th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.